A piece of good news coming through for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And you may say can't report say player your friend Sherrif Mohammed, actually the injured player of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obeka say your ball first round we no and a player no ekunya accident ema player no call off kakra. Na player no ye surgery no koye no information and you may eba say wahete gym say doctors no cause the recovery no aye so fast and well to the extent say initially 24 years say Sherrif Mohammed should be out for the entire season, the rest of the season. But how the recovery no no say why ha season no embewe e krobet me abobo ama krobia Asante Kotoko. But in Chemuka Kre woman say doctors no and the Kotoko management no I imagine say even though say Sherrif Mohammed currently as we speak why surgery na we ama washe gym work say ye ka say washe gym work say sa player call off na Obabaka na ya otakoye gym work na gym work no precede no into the training grounds work into sa ofri gym works now, then he comes to the field to train individually. After training individually, then no hete training together with the whole team. Sam Renedier, Ubetima confirm say Ubetimi abo matches. So they are denying, but doctors no HSN any Kotoko form penny phone in even though so hete gym works, here be 2 to 3 weeks. I'm an abo ball no. Kotoko is not going to risk him. Kotoko last game bono it is against Bofoakwa Ifie, which is a home game. Unim say Kotoko akabe 5 games near bo bibie Kotoko next league game no obeko Brekum Chelsea na wabo Accra Sufuk na Kotoko Sako I think Real Tamale United iwi ne aba ne abebo Great Olympics yes ne abo Great Olympics. Then after Great Olympics no yebesa bo the final game ebeye Baba Yara Sports Stadium against Bofoakwa no sa game no na amanfo and as a report never say ebeduru ho no you were about 1 month and some little days to that game inti ebeduru ho no player efeno Sherrif Mohammed ebetimi akeke ball na Kotoko betimi use no, but information I make gather say Kotoko is not going to risk him obi a we prasa no yen fanen return embe ball straight away sa season no nyina no be say on there on tena baby sa training no obeba be bi obeba be, but to the extent say on be risk no about last game ne there and no there they are not considering it. Information kakra ho no.